Hi, I'm Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to prep a wall for painting. Now, you've just picked out the perfect color for that room. Now what? Well, let's start with a little prep work. First, remove all the outlet and light switch covers. Most outlet covers have a couple of flathead screws holding them in place. Unscrew those, then try to take the cover off. Often the cover is stuck to the paint underneath. Don't force the cover off. It could take a layer of the drywall with it. Instead, I recommend using a utility knife to cut behind the cover to unstick it. Now that the cover is off, you can see that these switches were painted over. I don't recommend painting light switches or outlets. These switches will be replaced later by a licensed electrician. Take a good look and feel the texture of the walls. Look for rough spots, water damage, divots, and other imperfections. Our Ace Handyman is covering those areas with what is called a skim coat. A skim coat is simply a thin layer of joint compound for spackling that fills in those nicks and cracks. This may sound counterintuitive, but add a little extra water to your compound. This will make the application a little thinner and it will dry quicker. Now that you're done patching, allow the compound to dry. Once dry, give the areas you patched a skim coat a light sanding. Use a light grit like 100 or 120 to start. If you have an older home, check to be sure you don't have lead paint before sanding. Once it's smooth, vacuum up the dust and give your walls a good washing with mild soap and water. Next up is taping. Use a good quality painter's tape, line up the tape with the edge you want to cover, and keep the tape taut as you can, and you work your way down that edge. Now your walls are ready for that perfect color you chose. Coming up next, another great video about painting.